Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Look at the rose bushes, especially the first two. They get plenty of sun. The third one, about the same amount. Look at the little guy. He's getting bigger, proud of him. That one came from the back. You know these last four weren't doing great. Now they seem to be recovering. Except you. You gotta go. I'm tired of you. You're an eyesore at this point. Before we get into that, let's take a bit of a stroll. Somewhat of a victory lap. We deserve it. We deserve this. We've been working hard all season long, and we put in all that work to get to this point. Blood, sweat, no tears, but it was all worth it in the end, wasn't it? I decided against putting another coat of Top and Bond down, so it's time to pull up this rough surface tape. While I'm out here, I might as well remove some weeds. Something came up, couldn't put that rose bush in the ground. Thought I'd make it up by watering some annuals. Okay guys, today is the day I put the new rose bush in the ground and I get rid of this old one. I'm ready. Got the garden tools out. Trupper rake, kneeling pad. I'm ready. Let's do it. Still wondering what happened to it. Out of all of them, this one went rogue. Well, time to dig it out. Maybe it was root rot. Maybe it was the soil. Let's see. Isn't too dry. Should have survived this. Roots look pretty good too. I don't get it. It's not like I haven't seen this before. I've seen a whole lot worse. Next time I'll use Miracle Grow. I'm sure that'll help. Anyway, got the new one in. The old one in a temporary pot. Don't want to give up on it. I'll put it in my recovery zone. That was easy. Now it's time to clean up. After all we've been through, what do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section. As a reminder, it's not good to cut the grass when the sun is blazing. The sun is going down now. Heat already stresses out your grass, so when you cut it and leave those streaks, it just makes things worse. How many times have you seen me trim and edge my grass? That's what I thought. You don't need to see me blow the clippings away either, do you? Another tip, guys, if you're going to put seeds down, the best time to do it is in the fall. It's ideal for seeding. Nothing special this time. No garden weasel, no peat moss, no topsoil. I'm just going to put them down. Have to recommend. Can't get around that whatsoever. Have to water. Let's see how this turns out. What do you guys think? Scale of 1 to 10 so far. I give it a 10. Man, look at the new addition. Okay, you don't want to give me a 10. Fine, I'll take an 8.5. 9. 9.5 is good too. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Moving forward, I think I'll just put one annual in the smaller pots. They look nice though. Heads up. This is the second to last episode of the Front Yard playlist. One more to go. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.